Okay, so this is the setup I have. That's the old Xiaomi screen, and this is the new LG screen. It was really cheap. I found it on Black Friday. I found a deal on Black Friday. This one was 79 euro, and that's the old Samsung screen. I keep it for DaVinci Resolve as the video clean feed. I don't care about the colors. All I care is that I see the big screen there in case there is something that needs to be masked. As a first impression, the Windows background looks nicer on the LG panel. As you would expect, the Xiaomi versus LG. This one is a newer screen, so it's gonna be a better technology. And the really old Samsung 971p. That's the new Samsung, and it says HDR, and I think there is something, like, it looks nicer. There is something about it. That's the screen. Those are the icons there. And that's the Xiaomi. I think it's a pretty good setup. I will have DaVinci Resolve here. The not so important things, panels and menus, are gonna be on the old Xiaomi screen. Then the important things, timeline will be in the middle, the new screen, the LG, and the video clean feed will be here, always there. Usually I had to switch between video clean feed and dual screen. Now I don't have to. Now there is a 3-monitor setup, just like that. Okay, so that's the setup with the lights on the desk. I have the lights here. They are off now. The lights will be on the desk, and this is where I make here the videos. That's where we edit the videos. Everything is done here. And I had to clean up. I had to remove some cables. I had to rearrange things. But this is the triple monitor setup, video clean feed, main screen here, and then the secondary screen for DaVinci Resolve. And now it's the Windows. I really think you can tell the difference even in this video. It looks nicer on the LG. The colors look more vivid. Maybe it's just a setting. Maybe it's just a color setting on the panel, but I like it. This is the default, how it started. And I want to do a test to make sure there are no stuck pixels or anything like that. I don't see anything obvious, but it's always good to check. I'm not sure I would be able to return it for one stuck pixel, but if it's more than one, maybe then it's going to be different. So I'll try to do a quick test now. Okay, I'm looking at the screen now. Now it's set to automatic color balance. I'm looking at the screen and I don't see anything. Everything should be the same color. Now it's black. It's all the same color. Red, also all the same color. And green, also the same color. Perfect, I would say, really. Blue, the same. So white, black, red, green, blue. It keeps going like this. Thanks for watching. I did an unboxing. I have another video with the unboxing, and this is the setup, how I set up the screen. I also have an HDMI switch, so I can switch on this screen between the camera and the computer when I record the videos to see on the screen what I'm doing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.